Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's the Property Viewers here with you again, and today we will be looking at the Phoenix Park Village, Bernard Lodge, Greater Portmore, St. Catherine.
When you enter in Caymanas Estate back, our entrance, you enter in. All of this is one you come across, this is 2, you come across, this is 3. So what you actually see out there is these set of houses. Because all of this finished already. Come over to 4, so this is where you're standing.
Okay.
Phase 4, then you come over to 5, and then this is the entrance out. So you're coming from Spanish Town, then you come across, you turn
In, right.
and come out back. So this is so right here, so now this is your Phoenix Park 2. And all of this.
Oh, I see those.
Back to where the deep corner is, and you're going right up one. Down that side. And come out back.
So Phoenix Park 2. Phoenix Park 2 persons will be able to apply for Phoenix Park 2.
This is what you just
Okay.
So it will come with a 1 bedroom also, because it said 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 3.
Let's go on the inside, guys. So the Phoenix Park Village is a Gore Homes development, and what they have done for us is they have staged the house with lovely furniture, so you'll get an idea of how you will be able to decorate your home according to your own liking. So here in the living room, you'll see that there are very high ceilings, and you also see that you'll be able to fit your couch, your entertainment center, or your television stand. You also see that there are windows that allow the natural light to come in, and it gives the area a cool, light, airy feeling. Now we're moving on to the dining area. Now right next to the 6-seater table, there is a window that allows the fresh air and the natural light to come in while you sit with your loved ones and have a meal. Again, you can see that the high ceilings continue throughout the house. Now we're moving on to the kitchen, and as you can see, there is a wall. However, this does not cause you to feel enclosed, because there is a window that allows you to interact with your loved ones while they're in the living area or in the dining area and you are in the kitchen preparing a meal. Now I would like to bring your attention to the closet doors to my right. In the comment section below, guess and tell me what's behind those doors. The answer is coming soon. This kitchen offers upper and lower cupboards, and right over the double kitchen sink you will find a window. Now while you're washing the dishes, you can watch the children outside while they're playing in the backyard. This window also allows the natural air and the light to come inside. The kitchen also fits a 6-burner stove. What I also admire is that there is enough counter space. Now here is a view of the dining and the living area from the kitchen. Lovely. So we're still in the kitchen, but behind these closet doors you will find your laundry area. So here is your laundry tub, and you will be able to fit your washing machine in this area as well. So you have a designated laundry area, nicely tucked away. Now we're leaving from the kitchen, and you get a beautiful view of the dining and living area once again. To my left is the doorway that allows us to access both bedrooms, bathroom, and the linen closet. So here to my left is another storage area. Oh my god, these can never be too much. So you may store your linens, or you may also store your cleaning agents. You decide. But this is another storage area that I know you will appreciate. And just a quick view of the main bedroom. Alright, so let's look at the main bathroom. The good thing about this bathroom is that it is accessible from the master bedroom, and it is also accessible from the living room. So there are 2 doors attached to this bathroom. Currently, we're entering the bathroom from the living room. The shower is piped for hot and cold water, and there is also a window in the shower. The natural light is never too much. You also get a full bath. We're exiting the bathroom from the door that is in the bedroom. So this bedroom, it fits a king bed and it has 2 windows and a closet. There is also additional storage above the closet. Now we're back in the passage and we're going to walk our way down to the second bedroom, and here on my right you see some other closet doors, and this closet is for the second bedroom. And we are in bedroom number 2, and you can see that there are 2 twin beds in this room. You can also fit a king size bed in this bedroom, and this bedroom also has an ensuite. This bedroom is ideal for your children or your guests when they visit. Okay guys, so thank you for touring with us. If you are interested in getting one of these units, make sure that you reach out to Gore Homes. They will be building a Phoenix Park 2, and the units like this one will be built there. So make sure that you contact them to get your name on the list as soon as possible once you're interested. So thank you guys. Thank you for making it Property Viewers. Thank you for the love and the support. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember to check the description box for additional information and click the post notification bell. Bye.